Hi, I'm Joy Dillion and I work for Biniris. They're a Brisbane-based company and I've been working for them for the last 9 years. I'm very passionate about the environment and what we do in the world today. It is, like I said, it's ultra safe, it's non-toxic, and that's where my passion comes from. It's a good product to use for environmental issues. I think everybody should use it. I'm surprised that not everybody uses it. It's a good product. I managed to get rid of 7 chemicals to use the eWater, and it paid for itself in about 12 months. At first I thought it was a load of rubbish. How can something like that work? Salt and water? Don't think so. But that was 4 years ago when it was introduced. We did a lot of testing with it and it never failed. Everything looks really good with it. It cleans everything, stainless steel, glass, floors, my house. So 4 years on, if anybody tried to take that eWater system away from me, I'd chop their hands off. The biggest benefit is that it's good for the environment and it's extremely safe. There's nothing toxic about it. It's easy to use, easy to dispense. There's no risk of skin irritants or inhaling it. It doesn't even matter if you mix the two together. It's not going to cause some, massive problems. It's just ultra safe and it's good for the environment.